everybody, welcome to my channel. Happy 4th of July. I'm actually excited. My daughter's down here. Charlotte, turn the light back on. I'm actually excited because this is my first CVS haul that I actually got a ton of stuff. I went back to normal. I did mess up on two things and it's my fault because I was in a hurry and I didn't pay attention to it, and then there was problems at the register and I didn't even look. So yeah, so I'm debating if I should go back or just walk away. I don't care anymore. So let me dig in and share with you guys what I got. Okay, so I did a lot of mix and match deals, so I'm going to try to share with you guys on this. I will have a printable breakdown for you guys so you guys can see everything that I got. Everything that I have in this bag all goes with pairs with something, and I don't have all the pairs. Okay, so the first deal I did was we're gonna do is the Tampax deal. Now these are actually 2 for $8. There is a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. You can do the tampons or the pads. I was gonna do both, but then the scenario was like $2 short, so I decided not to do that. But you want to use the 3 off of 2, and then I ended up getting the Pantene. These were 3 for $12, and I used a 5 off of 3 insert coupon. And then I also got the Herbal Essence, and these were 2 for $12, and I used a 4 off of 2 digital coupon or insert coupon PNG. But I had a 4 off of 20 hair care, so I ended up using the 4 off of 20 hair care. You'd pay $16 for all 7 items, but then that's a spend 30 deal. You get 10, so I got $10 back, making it just $6 or 85 cents a piece. So haven't gotten Pantene in a while, so I ended up doing that deal. Okay, so I ended up getting this thing. This is the monofoil or microband or whatever. These were $9.99. My store had them like in the weirdest spot. You'd pay $9.99, but there is a $9 extra care buck that you get for this. So this comes out to be just 99 cents. Great deal. I ended up getting some stuff that was on clearance. These were actually, this is a big soap. These were on clearance for 29 cents. 29 cents for liquid soap. That's a great deal. When I went to price check it, it showed up broccoli. Yeah. When I went to price check it, it said 28.99999, but with the register it rung up 99 cents. Okay, or 29 cents. So I ended up getting the Skintimate. Now this is where I messed up at, because I ended up what? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. So I ended up doing this. So this was a spend 15 deal, and I did $9.59, and it's buy one get one 50% off, and I did not factor the $15 one. I just factored in this whole scenario. So I did mess up on this, so I need to spend 62 or 63 cents more to get the extra care buck. So make sure you guys pay attention to that. But I ended up getting both of these, and I used the 4 off of 2 digital coupon. I had 2 4 off of 2 Skintimate CRTs, so I ended up using that. I got the Scope mouthwash. This was $5.79. I used a $1 off insert coupon that we got in today's PNG, so I got that. No Paris. And then I ended up getting the Oral-B toothbrush, which was also $5.79, and I had a $2 off digital coupon that I used for this. So these are with that instant coupon that prints out, so I got to use that 4 off of 4 instant coupon. So my total was $10.96, but it should be just a couple cents. It should be 62 cents higher. But you get a $3 extra care buck for the Scope. You get a $3 extra care buck for the toothbrush, and then you're supposed to get a $5 extra care buck back for this. So it would have been absolutely free. This came out, it would have been free and just a little bit of a money maker if you guys did that deal. So I feel like crap because I messed up, but I was in a rush to get home. This is today's freebie. My store did not have any of the cotton rounds, no pairs. So I ended up getting this. This was $2.99 with that freebie. It came out to be free, so you got that. I ended up doing the Paparazzi. These were 2 for $5. You would pay $5 for this, but then you get $4 back in an extra care buck, making these just $1.50. cents a piece. I'm really sick and tired of this because my store, they don't price change stuff, because I ended up getting one of these lipsticks that I thought was $6.49 and the other one was $5.49. So like, yeah. But anyways, one of these was $7.49 because the price was wrong, and $5.49. I had 3 $2 off NYX CRTs, so you'd pay $6.98 for both of these, but then you get a $5 extra care buck back, making these $1.98 or just like 99 cents a piece. So yeah, I didn't mess up on that, but I just hate it because like that was a product that was actually more this time. My store sometimes stuff is just not correct, and it just, ugh. So I got the Cetaphil. These were $8.99. I had a 3 off of 15 CRT. She's walking up the stairs and Ben's doing something. And then I had a 5 off of 2 Cetaphil CRT. So I ended up paying $9.98 for this. But then you get $4 of an extra care buck when you buy 2. And you guys get a $2 and a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.98 or 99 cents a piece. Sorry, my children are driving me nuts. So the first deal, or the last deal I got is I got the Colgate Toothpaste. These were $3.99. I bought 4 of them. I had a $1 off insert coupon, a $2 off digital, and a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. So that, and I had a 5 off of 25 CRT that I wanted to use. So I ended up getting 2 of the toothpaste for $5.79. I messed up. These were supposed to be a spend 12 deal. I did not factor that in because I was focused on the 5 off of 25. So I would need to spend 62 or 63 cents more to do this deal correctly. But if I did do this deal correctly, my total would have been $13.54. You were supposed to get $6 back when you spend 10 or 12, and then I got $12 back for buying these with 6 and 6 of extra care bucks. So this total came out to be a $4.46 moneymaker. The whole thing should have been, it would have been a moneymaker even if I spent a little bit more. So that is my haul, you guys. I haven't had a haul this big in a very long time. Actually, I forgot one thing. I forgot to bring it down. I ended up getting the Swiffer. It'll be in the pictures when I show you guys. But my store had the Swiffer for $7.37 on clearance. So I ended up having a $2 off insert coupon that we got today. So I ended up using that. So I paid $5.37 for a Swiffer sweeper. And that's a whole lot cheaper. That's even cheaper if you bought the refills. So that's a great deal. So you definitely want to check that. So my total came to 40 cents for everything. I ended up paying $68 worth of extra care bucks, but I did receive $55 back. I will get $4 back with Ibotta, making my grand total just $9.40 or 33 cents a piece. If I did my haul correctly, I would have gotten $11 more of extra care bucks. So I did put that in the breakdowns. I did write, I messed up, so you guys can pay attention to that too. But if you guys enjoyed this video, sorry for being crazy. Hope you guys have a very awesome 4th of July. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. It's just one of those days, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.